Students, today we will discuss the balancing of disproportionation reaction by oxidation number method. Students, you know that disproportionation reactions are the reactions in which same atom or same compound undergo oxidation as well as reduction. उसी एक पर्टिकुलर एटम का ऑक्सीडेशन भी होता है और रिडक्शन भी होता है. सो इन दिस वी हैव टू यूज द स्टेप्स एज इन द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन. बस एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि सेम एटम का ऑक्सीडेशन भी होगा और रिडक्शन भी. So the step that we will use, just see out. Step number 1, we have to find out or write the oxidation state of all. सभी species का oxidation number हमें mention करना है. Then divide the reaction into oxidation and reduction half and balance the atom whose oxidation state changes. आपको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करना है. You understood? One is oxidation half, another one is reduction half, and then we have to balance increase in oxidation state and decrease. Because you know that in oxidation what happens? Oxidation state increases and in reduction it decreases. After that, you have to balance the charge. If the medium is acidic, add H positive. Medium is basic, add OH negative. Then balance the oxygen by adding water molecules. And the last, balance hydrogen. If the medium is acidic, add H positive. If the medium is basic, remember, for hydrogen balancing you have to add water molecules. And same number of OH negative ions they are added on the opposite side. And in the last, for the shake, कि आपने काम ठीक किया है नहीं किया, you have done the right work or not, just check whether your balancing is correct or wrong. You have to calculate the charge on both the sides. If the charge is equal, it means the balancing is correct. So we'll start the balancing by this reaction. In this reaction, H positive is there. So अगर medium mention नहीं होता, even though we can perform this in acidic medium. Okay. So what is the step number 1? Write oxidation state of all. So I just write oxygen minus 2 Mn. I'll calculate X. Oxygen 4 2s are minus 8 equal to minus 2. So X comes out to be plus 6. So state of Mn is plus 6 now. H positive plus 1. Here oxygen minus 2 Mn, again X minus 4 2s are 8 equal to minus 1. So X equals to plus 7. So the state of Mn is plus 7. Now here in MnO2 oxygen minus 2 and Mn same. X minus 2 into 2 4 equals to 0. So X comes out to be plus 4. Now hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. So this students, we have completed the step number 1. We have written the oxidation state of all. Then we have to divide into two half, oxidation and reduction, and balance the atom whose oxidation state changes. So beta, I write oxidation and reduction. Just so you know, or little one upper and right. Oxidation and reduction. So oxidation is increase in oxidation state. So plus 6 से बेटा plus 7. So I will write MnO4 2 negative से बेटा MnO4 negative. MnO4 2 negative में the state of Mn is plus 6. Here the state of Mn is plus 7. Oxidation. Now what is reduction? Reduction is decrease in oxidation state. So decrease will be now plus 6 to plus 4. So I will write MnO4 2 negative 2 MnO2. Just note down the state. Here the Mn is plus 6 and here the Mn is plus 4. So clear cut increase and decrease is in front of you. Next, I have to balance the atom whose oxidation state changes. So I think so Mn, Mn, Mn and Mn किसी की भी आपको balancing करने की जरूरत नहीं है. They are already balanced. Now balance increase and decrease in oxidation state. तो check करते हैं बेटा increase कितने का है? Increase in oxidation state plus 6 से plus 7 1 का increase है. Decrease plus 6 से plus 4 2 का decrease है. So how can I make equal? कैसे कर सकते हैं? हम सिंपल इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दें? 2 से. So what it will be? Twice MnO4 2 negative से बेटा twice MnO4 negative. and this will be as it is, MnO4 2 नेगेटिव से MnO2. अब इनको ऐड कर लीजिए. On adding this, I'll write again. MnO4 2 negative, MnO2. Now it will be 2 plus 1 3, MnO4 2 negative 2, twice MnO4 negative plus MnO2. Step number 3, balance and add. So ये आप यहाँ पे लिखिए, you will get twice MnO4 2 negative giving you twice MnO4 negative plus MnO2. So this is clear. Now I'll rub out this one. Now the next step is beta balance the charge by adding which medium? Acid medium. So I have to add H positive ion. So for the balancing of charge, I have to add H positive ion, and H positive ions are added to the side where there is less charge. So just see, 3 2s are minus 6 on this side, minus 2. So what is the difference now? 3 2s are minus 6, minus 2, the difference is of 4 points. So I have to add 4H positive. Now where I have to add? On minus 6 or minus 2, which is on lower side? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6. यहाँ पर मेरे को ऐड करना है on the left hand side. So what will I get? Oh, so how much I have to add? Again the charge will be 3 2s are minus 6 and minus 4. 4H positive. 3 MnO4 2 negative plus 4H positive giving you twice MnO4 negative plus MnO2. Just see out whether we have done the correct or not. बेटा चार्ज चेक कीजिए. 3 2s are minus 6. 6 में से 4 माइनस कर दीजिए, minus 2 बचेगा. यहाँ पर भी minus 2. So this we have done. Now balance oxygen by adding water molecules. So 3 4s are 12 oxygens. On this side, 4 2s are 8 oxygen plus 2. Total will be 10 oxygen. So on one side 12 oxygen, on other side 10 oxygen. This capital O for oxygen. So 4 3s are 12 again, 2 4s are 8 and 2. तो बेटा यहाँ पर कितने ऑक्सीजन कम है? 2 ऑक्सीजन कम. So add 2 water molecules. So 3 MnO4 2 negative plus 4H positive twice MnO4 negative plus MnO2, 2 water molecules. Now in the last, balance hydrogen. 4 hydrogen, 2 2s are 4, already balanced. Now we have to check whether the balancing is correct or not. तो चार्ज देखते हैं बेटा. 3 2s are minus 6 plus 4. On this side minus 2. So minus 2 equal to minus 2 means charge on left hand side is equal to charge on right hand side. It means we have done the correct balancing. Okay. Now we will do one more reaction in basic medium. One more basic medium. So the reaction that I will use, just see out. The reaction I am doing basic medium. The reaction that will I use P4 plus OH negative giving you PH3 plus H2 PO2 negative. So beta in this equation OH negative is already there. So अगर medium mention नहीं होता, even though we have to do in the basic medium. So the first step is divide, write oxidation state of all. So P4 0, oxygen minus 2, hydrogen plus 1, hydrogen plus 1 and phosphorus minus 3. Here hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. phosphorus calculate कीजिए, 2 plus x minus 4, 2 minus 2 minus 4 equal to minus 1. So x minus 2 equal to minus 1, x equals to plus 1. So this we have find out the oxidation state now. Next we have to divide it into the oxidation and reduction and balance the atom whose state changes. So I write oxidation, I write reduction. So oxidation where the state increases. So beta 0 say plus 1 is the increase. So I will write P4 to H2 PO2 negative, and reduction is decrease. So 0 से minus 3 P4 to PH3. Now I have to balance the atom whose state changes. तो 4 फास्फोरस है, यहाँ पर 1 फास्फोरस है, 4 अटैच कीजिए. यहाँ पर 4 फास्फोरस है, यहाँ पर 1 है, 4 अटैच कीजिए और इनकी स्टेट लिखिए. फास्फोरस यहाँ पे 0 पे है, यहाँ पे फास्फोरस की स्टेट +1, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे फास्फोरस -3. ओके. नाउ स्टेप 3, बैलेंस इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज इन द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. अब इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज चेक करते हैं. बेटा 0 से 1 कितने का इंक्रीज है? 1 का इंक्रीज है, बट एटम कितने हैं? 4. So 1 into 4, the increase is of 4. Same here. 0 से -3, decrease is of 3. But 4 atoms है, 3 into 4, तो decrease कितने का? 12. अब balance increase and decrease and add the two halves. Balance कैसे करें? 4 को 3 से multiply कर दीजिए. So जब multiply करेंगे, what will you get? 3p42. ठीक है, 3 4s are 12H2 PO2 negative, and this as it is P42 4PS3. On adding, what will you get? 3 plus 1 4P4 gives you 4PS3 plus 12H2 PO2 negative. This you will write here. 4p4 plus 4p4 giving you 4ps3 plus 12h2 PO2 negative. Okay, so just I simply remove it and make the space. Now the next step, balance charge. And since this is the basic medium, for basic medium charge is balanced by adding OH negative ion, and OH negative ion is added where there is more charge. So check करते हैं बेटा, यहाँ पे charge is 0, this is 0 और -12. So what I have to add? 12 OH negative. Which side? Right or left? यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे 12 है, तो बड़ी वैल्यू कौन सी है? 0. So यहाँ पे हम ऐड करेंगे 12 OH negative. 12 OH negative plus 4p4 giving you 4pH3 plus 12H2 PO2 negative. After that balance oxygen by adding water. तो ऑक्सीजन काउंट कीजिए बेटा, 12 ऑक्सीजन, और यहाँ पे 12 to the 24 ऑक्सीजन. अगेन देखिए 12 ऑक्सीजन, यहाँ पे 12 to the 24. तो यहाँ पे कितना ऑक्सीजन कम है? 12. So I will add 12 water molecules. How many? 12. So this will be now 12 water molecules plus 12 OH negative plus 4p4 giving you 4pH3 plus 12H2 PO2 negative. Now hydrogen, just see out, 12 to the 24 hydrogen plus 12 hydrogen. On this side 4 3s are 12 hydrogen plus 12 to the 24 hydrogen means 36 hydrogen equal to 36. already equalized. Now before I check, just see out बेटा ये सारे के सारे 4 के multiples हैं, so I can shorten. 4 3s are 12, so it will be 3h2. 4 3s are 12, 3OH negative. 4 1s are 4, so P4. 4 1s are 4, PS3. 4 3s are 12, 3H2, PO2 negative. Now I have to check whether it is correct or not. So charge I have to see 3 minus on the left hand side, and this is minus into 3 minus 3 means charge on left hand side, this is exactly equal to charge on right hand side. So beta this we have done, that is the balancing of disproportionation reaction by oxidation number method. ठीक है, and both the medium acidic and basic. But ध्यान कीजिए, there is a little mistake if then balancing is wrong. तो लास्ट में चेक जरूर कीजिए कि आपका चार्ज है that is equal or not. So this is all about the balancing of disproportionation reaction by oxidation number method in both the medium acidic and basic. That's all.